Hello everyone and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull Channel. Today we are going to take a deeper look at Bitcoin right here. We are also going to talk about my trades and if I'm going to take some decisions regarding these trades right here because I'm massively in the profit, so it might be a good idea to take some profits. Let's see what will be my decision by the end of the video, and we will also talk about a little bit about stocks. And let's start here with NVIDIA, guys. And you can literally make quite a lot of profits also with stocks. We can see it. NVIDIA was just at $86 here on the 7th of April, and until here we made already 87% just on spot without any leverage. That's why I'm gonna start slowly moving some of my crypto portfolio into stocks, because many equity companies, they are solving problems, they have already a big user base, they are revenue positive, which most of the altcoins are not. I'm still going to keep my Bitcoin, of course. I'm not going to sell any of my Bitcoin, Ethereum as well, but some of my altcoins, once they will pump, because I expect a big altcoin pump coming in the next couple of weeks and months. So make sure you subscribe to this channel if you don't want to miss on this big altcoin opportunity. And now let's talk about NVIDIA more. What can we see here? NVIDIA, I think it's at an all-time high right now at 164. Many of the AI companies use NVIDIA chips for their computing power, and also crypto miners are using also NVIDIA, and many other companies are using NVIDIA like AWS from Amazon, Microsoft, many other big players. They're using NVIDIA a lot. So NVIDIA has quite good revenues, quite good numbers, and it's also, I think it's the biggest stock right now, almost at $4 trillion market cap. Let's see here. Yeah, we can see it's $4.2 trillion market cap. Then we have here the next earnings report coming in 46 days. So let's see how that will be. Besides that, we can see we have 1.29 dividends per year, which is not big, but if you make 86% on capital gains, then you're quite happy. Here you can see the income statement as well, so you get a lot of data here on TradingView. This is the platform I'm using to check my charts. We can see the performance here in 1 week 4%, in 1 month 14%, in the last 3 months over 50%, and in the last 6 months 20%. So you can see we had a nice pump here in December. We went to 152, and then we dipped down quite hardly, so to say, like almost, let's measure it here, around 40% dip. And after this dip, with a nice pump to the upside, nice V-shaped recovery here for NVIDIA, and creating a new all-time high, which is amazing. So I'm definitely going to allocate more to my NVIDIA positions. Like I would buy something at 150 if it dips down below, and I will buy more if it dips lower at 129. That I would say it's a nice opportunity to buy. Even better if it goes back to 80, I would be happy to buy some more in that case as well. But let's see what will happen. Now let's talk about Tesla, Elon Musk company, and we can see here Tesla actually at a good buying position right now. Let's see if it will go back to this zone. You can still make 55% on Tesla. Quite a nice opportunity here. So I'm gonna buy some more Tesla as well. The RSI, it looks still quite well. It's not overbought, so might be a nice time to buy. We are having here a lower high, which is not so nice. So we have to break this resistance line here, so we can start moving more up. Besides that, which other stocks do I like? I like, let me quickly try, like Google, also very nice stock, and let's see if it's a good time to buy right now. We can see here high was at 208 now, and it dipped down below when the tariffs came in and all the uncertainty. We dipped down below to 145. So from 145 until now, you could have made 26%. If it goes back to the same price, 45% just on stocks. Very easy without any leverage. And stocks are also much better for the long term if you want to play more safely. It's very important that you protect your capital and don't risk it in meme coins or some other risky altcoin trades. Better buy stocks slowly, slow and steady wins the game always. If you force to make two profits at once, you will usually do many mistakes. Now let's go and talk about my trades again here. 9k on Bitcoin, quite nicely. I also realized already over 3k here. Then we have here my VeChain trade, a little bit more down. We were at $2,000 before in profit, still nicely. So I will take some more profits on this one later. Let's see. For now, I want to keep it open. My unit trade also 5k in the profits. Ethereum still over 20k in the profits as well. Quite trades. I'm very happy with those trades. And now let's see if we can see some major updates in the chart. I think Bitcoin is just consolidating around here. We have a nice bull flag here building actually, so it's a nice consolidation zone, and we can see it here. In the past we had this consolidation zone also happening like many minutes. You can see it here. We were just moving sideways, then with a nice pump to the upside, so it can happen over again. It happened even if you see it here on this period with nice consolidation phase and then breakout to the upside. So this might happen again. My price target of 141k of the inverse head and shoulder is still here, and I'm still expecting this to happen very soon. Besides that, for now, I took already some profits here on my Ethereum trade over uh, here, but I don't plan to take some more profits for now. Let's see. I think the market is still quite bullish, even though the RSI is overbought. I'm still want to keep my trades. You can see here on my Ethereum trade, I already realized around 7.8k, and I still have 20k in unrealized gains. So I'm still gonna keep these positions open. And if you wanna trade like you see me do here on the WEEX platform, you can get up to $30,000 bonus in the description with my exclusive link. It's an exclusive promotion for the decentralized family, so make sure you take advantage of this opportunity. You also get a 20% deposit bonus, so if you deposit $1,000, you get $200 you can use for trading and kickstarting your trading career. You can see here with my VeChain trade, I only used $500 margin, and I'm already over 1.8k in profit. So quite amazing opportunities here in the crypto market, especially now. So take advantage of this opportunity, and see you all in the Telegram group. Join the Telegram channel as well. Message me on Instagram and on Twitter. Let me know if you have any questions or any ideas or questions for my upcoming videos. I will gladly take the time and answer them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you again next time. Bye bye.